Wrap dresses are one of the standout trends in 2025, blending elegance, movement, and modern femininity. The beauty of draping lies in how the fabric folds, twists, or wraps around the body, creating a soft, flattering silhouette whether for casual wear or red carpet glam. Asymmetrical drape, one shoulder style or off-center draping create a bold or sculptural effect, popular in metallic, bold, solid, and high fashion neutrals, often paired with cutouts or high slit for drama. Cowl neck drapes, a 90s inspired neckline making a strong return, found in spaghetti strap slip dresses, evening gowns, and evening derriere. Fabric like satin or silk enhances the natural flow. Thick ancient Greek Roman influence, one shoulder flowing plaid, gold or ivory hues, popular for bridal wear, evening gowns and formal dresses, often styled with metallic belts or cuffs. Rush draping, ruching along the bodice or hips giving a body-hugging, culture contoured effect. Found in bodycon silhouettes with side drapes or center twists. High slit draped dresses draping around a high leg slit add movement and sensuality. Seen on red carpets and luxury fashion collection. Layered draped hemline, uneven handkerchief style hems or layered fabrics that flow asymmetrically create a dynamic function forward look. Sustainable draping dress made with eco-friendly or recycled fabrics using minimalist soft draping. Earthy tones like olive sand and stone are trending. Evening wear add strappy heels, chandelier earrings and a clutch. Boho look go for wrap drap maxi dresses with natural tone accessories. Minimalist style pair a neutral drap dress with slick hair and pointed toe mulls. Off the shoulder, one shoulder style or off center draping create a bold sculptural effect, popular in metallic, bold solid and high fashion neutrals, often paired with cutouts or high slit for dramas. Rushed and draped off the shoulder dresses, soft ruching across the bust or sleeves add a sculpted, elegant look, often paired with bodycon silhouettes or flowy A-line skirt. Puff sleeve or voluminous shoulder, romantic puff or balloon sleeves are paired with off-the-shoulder. The designer present outfits that seamlessly transition from runway to real life. Notable pieces include a double front leather moto jacket paired with a striped skirt and faded jeans, exemplifying his approach to luxury American sportswear. Popular styles are bodycon dresses. These form-fitting dresses hug the body, offering featuring materials like spandex or stretch denim for comfort and flexibility. They may include Western-inspired details such as stitching and pattern. Denim dresses, slim-fit denim dresses offer a modern twist on traditional Western attire, available in various washes and lengths, and often adorned with buttons or embroidery. Fringe and embroidery accents, incorporating fringe or embroidered details, add a Western flair to tight, fancy transparent dresses have become a bold and elegant statement in modern fashion, blending sheer fabrics with intricate detailing. Here are some of top trends in transparent dress fashion. Crystal and beaded sheer dresses. Dresses adorned with shimmering beads and crystal or rhinestone for a glamorous red carpet feel, often seen in culture evening gowns and luxury designer collection, paired with nude and metallic bodysuits underneath for striking yet tasteful finish. These dresses offer a diverse range of bodycon dresses that can be styled to achieve a Western-inspired look. Their collection include various colors and designs suitable for different occasions. These dresses features a selection of bodycon dresses with options that can be accessorized to reflect Western fashion element. Their dresses are known for their flattering fits and stylish design. Corset-style transparent dresses include combining structural corsetry with sheath, skirt or panel. Gives a mix of vintage elegance and modern sensuality, often worn with statement heels and dramatic accessories. Transparent dresses with feather and loafer add dramatic with feather, trim, voluminous ruffles or tied sheer layer. A mix of fantasy and high fashion often seen in culture collection. Best suit for extravagant parties or editorial fashion shows.